In this video, let's see how to configure and publish the TRM data. Click on Workspaces in the navigation bar. Select Enterprise Architecture Workspace. In the Enterprise Architecture Workspace, open the Setup page by selecting the Setup icon. Navigate to Publishing Center under the Setup section, and select All. Select New to create a new catalog. In the form, enter the catalog name. Select TRM from the drop-down for catalog type. Change the access type from Internal to Public in the drop-down menu if required. Click the Save button to save the configuration. When you create a new TRM publishing configuration, the system automatically creates default publishing components. By default, system displays the article configuration and content configuration for the product to be published. Run Logs displays the publishing status. Click the Publish button to publish the catalog. In the modal, click the Publish button to publish the catalog. Observe the status as publishing in the catalog details. The status updates to Published after the operation completes. The catalog link field displays a URL to the published catalog. Select the link to access the catalog link.